This week, Superintendent Spotlight showcases Glenfield Middle School's first assembly of the school year, featuring the Nrityagram Dance Ensemble. Glenfield partnered with the Peak Performances organization at Montclair State University this month to bring this experience to our school. Students were captivated by the incredible artistry and storytelling of the performance, which brought classical Indian dance to life and connected with both our magnet theme and the school's upcoming Diwali celebration. Special thanks goes out to Mr. Brown and Mr. Luckford, who worked diligently to ensure that the auditorium was ready to welcome our performers. After the performance, the dancers took questions from the students, which helped ensure this cultural experience was both meaningful and memorable. This is another example of how community partnerships enhance learning experiences for our students.